Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can buy more emotes and musical instruments in Heartopia. I say this in the same video because you buy it from the same person. So if you go to Annie here, she is placed in Central Square over here. You are able to purchase more emotes. So if you want to purchase emotes, go to store and go to the friendship store. Here you can purchase emotes and actions. So there's cute, shocked, angry, etc., etc. I'm going to buy this one because it's on sale. There's a chuckle one. I want to buy that too. Oh my gosh, I can't buy everything. Sad, nervous, angry, etc. And there's also music instruments here. So go to store and then select music store, and you can purchase recorders, lutes, congos, violins, bagpipes, xylophones. I really want this pink piano, but look at the price. So I'm not there yet, but yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!